everybody. Welcome to episode 27 of Rattle Together, where we achieve success through respect. Anyone?
Ambition.
Tenacity.
Loyalty.
Trustworthiness.
And empathy.
All right, I hope we got them all.
Yeah. Wait.
I'm so sorry, guys. It's been a while since our last video. It's been over a week, and I'm so sorry. Things have been crazy. We've been busy doing stuff, working, doing school. Well, I'm doing school. Now you guys aren't doing school anymore, and I am. So, right?
They are in school. No, we're not. We're done with school.
Okay, we're not going to argue over this right now, okay? All right. So anyway, we are going to go back and answer the riddle from last time really quickly, but I'm not going to do a new riddle because I don't want to leave you hanging again. I'm not going to guarantee daily videos anymore, obviously, but I will try to do, I don't know, we'll try and do them, you know, maybe once a week. We'll see what we can do. We'll work hard at it, okay? All right, so our riddle last time was, how do you make the number 1 disappear? How do you make the number 1 disappear? So, Jane, can you grab me a piece of paper from right over there? Right there. Right there.
Oh.
So, sorry for the slight delay. There's some fancy music while you wait. Do, 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 do. Okay, ready? So I'm going to write the number 1. O-N-E. O-N-E spells 1. Yay, 1. All right, now I'm going to make it disappear. Are you ready? Dun, 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 dun. Now it's gone. Get it? So I put the G in front. G-O-N-E spells
Gone.
So we made the number 1 disappear. Okay?
We didn't really.
We did it? All right, we have an interesting thing that we're going to do for you guys today. We're going to do a little drawing experiment. Ansley's going to stand on the front. She's going to draw on this piece of paper, but she's not going to draw anything until she feels Jane drawing on her back. And I'm going to draw on Jane's back. Hopefully you'll be able to see us all. Here, girls, why don't you stand over there like you're ready to do it, and then I'll move the camera.
She's got it. I never got
Yeah.
it.
All right, I'm going to just, like, do that.
This is
And
the
maybe...
thick side. Oh, no. That's not the thick side. This is.
that. All right. Are we ready, ladies? So
yeah.
I'm going to do it slowly. I'm going to draw one thing at a time on her back. She's going to draw it on her back. She's going to draw it on the wall. All right. Get ready. Okay, I know what I'm going to do. No peeking, Ams.
I'm not.
Look at the wall. Look at the picture.
Can I start drawing?
If Jane drew on you, you draw on the wall.
Are you done, Jane? You moved in and messed up my circle. I'm sorry. Wait, I didn't draw yet.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, and stay straight so that you can draw.
I thought you started.
We did. So, oh, I see what you're doing, Ansley. All right, hold up. We're going to stop. We're going to start over. We're going to explain the rules to Miss Ansley Pants and Miss Jane. Here's how it goes. I'm drawing on her back. She's thinking really hard about what she feels. And then she's drawing that one thing on you. And then you try to feel what she drew, and then you draw it. Okay. Does that make sense? So instead of just drawing a picture, you're drawing what you think you feel.
So we're going to take this piece of paper off?
Yeah, we'll start over.
So can we look at it, though?
Sure, that's what I drew.
Oh. Jane, You can't just draw circles.
Well, yeah, that's what she felt. That's the whole point, is it's silly. All right, ready? Hey, you did a great job. You both are doing fine.
I felt her drawing a snowman.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I stop the video?
No, we're going to keep going. Guys, I'm not doing a take 2. Here, stick this on the wall. Just, yeah,
But-
here, give me that one.
You should make it higher so that you don't have to bend down so that I can
Yeah,
draw.
there you go. That's true. Make it higher.
But then you can see.
Oh, I forgot one. I forgot about putting one on Nancy's back now. I'm just flipping them over.
You forgot to put one on my back.
All right, so Ansley, wait till you feel what Jane draws. Because we're going to do it slowly, step by step. Okay. I'm going to draw something new this time.
You're like to the side.
Oh.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you kind of are. Just straighten out a little. There we go. Okay, ready? Okay. Do you want me to go over that line again?
You told her what you drew.
No, I didn't. Did you draw it for Nancy?
No.
Draw for Nancy. Okay, go ahead, Nancy. Okay, girlfriend, you good?
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to do one more thing and then we're going to be done. All right, we ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's what I drew. Jane, what did you draw? Ansley, what did you draw? Bring it over. That's awesome, guys. That was fun.
Neither of us got it right.
Yeah, I don't think it's really easy to get it right.
Next time I want to be the person in the back.
Okay, well, we can do it again, but after we're done with the video, okay?
Okay.
All right, because I don't think people want to just watch us draw all day. But that was fun. All right, I have one more thing to do. I have to first say Miss Saydee, I'm sorry, because I promised Saydee I would do this a few days ago. Actually, I think it was on the 15th. I think it was like the day before my birthday or on my birthday that I promised her, and I didn't do it. So, sorry, Saydee, and I do have a story to read for you guys that Saydee wrote. She wrote a story about I think it was a lion. I'll read it to you in a second. Remember that riddle about lions not knowing how to cook or something? You guys remember that one?
No.
You don't remember it?
Nope.
I'm just going to grab her story and read it to you really quickly. All right. It's, Jane? No, thank you.
I fell.
I just got. All right. You okay, Jane?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let me see if I can zoom into it. Good. Oh, it was a tiger. All right. The tiger that tried to cook the raw meat. One day, there was a tiger that has eaten raw meat all his life. One day, the tiger said, "Mom, can you teach me how to cook? I'm tired of raw meat." The mother tiger said with a laugh, "Tigers can't cook. We don't have stoves or ovens. But I can teach you something my mom taught me. It is how to cook the meat on a hot rock." The little tiger was so excited, he went with Daddy Tiger to get some meat so he can learn how to cook on a rock. So after he went hunting, he went to tell his mom and saw that she had the rock heated and was waiting for them to get home. So the tiger went to Mother Tiger and got ready. He got the meat. He walked to the rock and started cooking while Mother Tiger told him what to do and helped him along the way. And after a while, it was cooked. He learned how to cook on a rock. Mother Tiger was so proud. Written by Saydee Thompson on May 14th. So, it was a beautiful story, Saydee. I love it. It's very cute. And I hope that everyone else really enjoyed it too. Hopefully we'll see you soon. And maybe soon we can start getting more regular videos together. All right, ladies. Let's say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. I hope that you're all well. Love ya. Miss ya. Mwah.